This is how to play an E major chord on the guitar. So the first note is the open low E string. Then you put your second finger on the second fret of the A string. Then you're going to put your third finger on the second fret of the D string. Then you're going to put your first finger on the first fret of the G string. And the pinky is not going to be used, so you can just kind of have it sit right there by your third finger and let the B and the high E string ring open. So all together like this. If you're a total beginner and it's kind of difficult to play the guitar, this is the easiest way to play an E major chord. Just take your first finger, put it on the first fret of the G string. That's the third string. 1, 2, 3. First fret. Make sure your finger's not flat, but it's curved. And then your other fingers, just get them out of the way. You can put them up in the air. You can put them like this. But you're going to let these two strings ring open. That means you're not putting your finger anywhere on those strings. B and E. So you got this note, which is G sharp, B, and E. And that makes up an E chord. This is how it sounds together. So that is as easy as it gets. I hope this has been helpful for you. If it has been, please let me know in the comments, and if you have any questions, please feel free to ask. I will answer in the best way that I can, and that's about it.